Oi Vivian, hey guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to this video about the PrimeBiome. So today I'm actually here to explain to you how PrimeBiome works and why this supplement is incredible. First of all, it's going to help you fix up your gut, and then the result of a gut that's fixed is beautiful skin. I mean, this is the best supplement, especially for people who are trying to take better care of their skin, people who want something that really works, that goes way beyond their skincare routine. So PrimeBiome is here, and I am here to give you all the details about it, what you have to know, what you need to do, the ingredients, and a lot more. Because let's face it, it's always good to know what you're starting to use before you start using it right, and I think PrimeBiome is one of the best solutions out there, because not only is it like a natural supplement that does not have GMOs or stimulants, but it's a supplement that actually delivers what it promises, and there are quite a few like that I know say fix gut and skin but don't really do that. So let's talk about PrimeBiome. First of all, I did leave their official webpage in the description box of this video. If you want to purchase the supplement, you can go directly there. All the details and what you need to know, and ingredients are all there. So now speaking about its ingredients, PrimeBiome actually holds a fantastic blend of prebiotics, probiotics, for example lactobacillus, guys, are the great things that our digestive system needs, and it gets things flowing. It helps you fix up your digestive system. You're not feeling bloated anymore, you're actually taking your regular poops, and your digestive system is actually really happy. So the result of that is that your skin, it just glows, like it has its elasticity, it has its moisture and hydration, and those signs of aging, those wrinkles, they tend to disappear, not having to deal with dark spots too. So in other words, a happy gut means a happy skin, and it's that simple, guys. And PrimeBiome has things like seal and ginger, organic lion's mane, dandelion bobchi, lemon balm, slippery elm bark, and like I said, there's also lots of vitamins. The cool thing is that you don't have to worry about side effects, you don't have to worry about contraindications. You just take PrimeBiome per the manufacturer suggests, and you're good to go, like you use it for 3 or 6 months. I always tell people to use it for 6 months because it gives time for your bodies to truly adapt to it, and for you to truly get like the best results possible. Okay, so just remember that, and like if you were scared about purchasing PrimeBiome because you're not quite sure of what the results are going to be, don't be, guys, because it does have a money back guarantee. So you simply redirect yourselves to their official webpage and request a refund in case you need it. Okay, but honestly though, this gives outstanding results. Not only that, it also gives you better immunity, more vitality, more proactiveness, disposition, and more energy. So pop over to this link to learn more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.